Good afternoon, students. Maths 2A. Date 8/10/2020. Write in the question. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube in terms of A, B, C. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube in terms of a, b, c. Okay. Listen here. What's the given condition? Given that alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0. This equation represents a quadratic equation in the variables of x. So this equation roots are alpha and beta. We know that sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal c by a. Okay, now we can find the value of first one, alpha square plus beta square. This term is in the form of a square plus b square. So for this term we can adding and subtracting with 2 alpha beta. The first three terms can be written is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We know the alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta value is c by a. Minus b by a whole square means b square by a square minus 2c by a. Here what is the LCM? A square is the LCM. The numerators are b square minus, here denominator is only a, but LCM is a square. So the denominator multiplying with a, that element multiplied with numerator, that is 2ac. This is the value of alpha square plus beta square value in terms of a, b, c. What about the second one? Alpha cube plus beta cube. This term is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. Alpha plus beta is equal, we know that, minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta c by a, alpha plus beta minus b by a. So minus whole cube means minus b cube by a cube, minus of minus plus 3bc by a square. So what is the LCM? A cube is the LCM minus b cube plus 3abc. So we can take first positive term 3abc minus b cube by a cube. This is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube value in terms of a, b, c. Okay, understand? Everyone noted? Okay, completed. These values are also formulas. Alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Then what is the value of alpha square plus beta square? B square minus 2ac by a square. What is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube? 3abc minus b cube by a cube. Okay, write down the next one. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the values of the following expressions in terms of A, B, C. First one, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Second one, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Third one, alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. Fourth one, alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. Fifth one, alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Okay, if alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, then find the values of the following expressions in terms of A, B, C. What is the first expression? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, listen here. What is the given condition? Given that alpha, beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then sum of the roots minus b by a and product of the roots c by a. Now you can find what is the first expression value? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. In this expression, what is the LCM? Alpha into beta is the LCM. Then the numerators are beta plus alpha. That equal. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a by c by a. So a get cancelled. That equal minus b by c. What about the second one? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. What the LCM is here? Alpha square, beta square is the LCM. The numerators are beta square plus alpha square. That equal alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta whole square. In the previous problem, you can find if alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic expression or equation. What is the value of alpha square plus beta square? B square minus 2ab by 2ac by a square by alpha beta minus b by c by a whole square. That equal b square minus 2ac by a square by c square by a square. So a square get cancelled. That equal b square minus 2ac by c square. This is the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square value. Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Next, third one. What is the third one? Alpha power 4 beta power 7 minus plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. In this expression, what is the common terms? Alpha power 4, beta power 4 is a common term. Remaining terms are beta power 7, we can take beta power 4 is the common term remaining, beta cube plus in this expression alpha cube is the remaining term. That equal alpha beta whole power 4 into alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that alpha beta is equal product of the roots c by a whole power 4. Alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Then what is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube? In the previous problem, alpha cube plus beta cube value is 3abc minus b cube by a cube. That is equal c power 4 by a power 4 into 3abc minus b cube by a cube. That is equal c power 4 of 3abc minus b cube by a power 4 into a cube, a power 7. This is the value of alpha power 7, beta power 7, alpha power 4, beta power 7 plus alpha power 7, beta power 4 value. What is the fourth one? Fourth expression is alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. Here what is the LCM? Alpha beta is the LCM. The numerators are alpha square minus beta square whole square. Alpha square minus beta square can be written as, this term is in the form of a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b of a minus b whole square by alpha beta whole square. We know the values of only alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We don't know the value of alpha minus beta. So alpha plus beta whole square into alpha minus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square. A minus b whole square can be written as, in terms of a plus b, can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab by alpha beta whole square. Now we can substitute alpha plus beta and alpha into beta value. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a whole square into minus b by a whole square minus 4 into c by a by c by a whole square. Minus b by a whole square means b square by a square into, here LCM is a square, b square minus 4ac by c square by a square. So when a square get cancelled, that equal b square of b square minus 4ac by c square a square. This is the value of alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square value. Okay, note this one. Okay, third one completed. Okay, what is the last one? Fifth one. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 can be written as 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. That equal alpha square plus beta square by, here LCM is alpha square beta square is the LCM. The numerator comes out beta square plus alpha square. So in numerator, denominator, numerator both are equal terms. So both are get cancelled. 1 by alpha square beta square. 1 by means alpha square beta square. That equal alpha beta whole square. So c by a whole square. That equal c square by a square is the value of alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 value. Okay, everyone note that one? Okay, everyone note this one. Thank you.